If you're one of the people who follow me on Facebook, you probably saw the pictures that I posted from Hamburg in November, where I went to a Christmas market, and there was a picture of some mulled wine that I had there. And it was not just the regular mulled wine, which I've already covered in a video here, which is delicious and I can highly recommend that. But today's mulled wine recipe or Glühwein recipe is a different one. It's a Bratapfel Glühwein, which can be translated to Baked Apple Mulled Wine. So what we need for that is first of all an apple wine, and I didn't find that at the grocery. I should probably have gone to some other stores, but what I eventually found was this one. It's a Moscato and apple, and I think this will work too. I've had a little bit of a taste of it and it tastes very delicious. Then I also need some apple juice, and I decided on this one. Also some honey, a cinnamon stick, some vanilla bean, and some cloves. And I'm only making half the recipe here today because we are not so many people. Okay, so in an effort to remove some of the bubbles, I already put this apple wine into a different container, and now I'm just pouring it into a sauce pot. And I'm also adding the apple juice. And I could, of course, also have used a clear apple juice. It doesn't have to be like the one that I used. So then I'm adding the honey. I'm adding the cinnamon. And for the vanilla bean, I'll cut this open. And just so you know, once I'm done with this recipe, I will recover this vanilla bean and use it in my vanilla sugar. And how you can make vanilla sugar at home, the recipe is here. Okay, I throw this in. So I will only heat this. I will not bring it to a boil. That's very important. And some of you might wonder why I'm not putting some rum or something else with more percentage of alcohol in there. Well, there is a distinction between Glühwein and punch. So as long as it's just wine and some other ingredients, it's Glühwein. Once you put in some extra alcohol, it is called a punch in Germany. So maybe punch in English. Sounds kind of wrong, I don't know. Okay, so this will be heated now. Once it is hot, I will just let it cool down, set it aside and let it soak for a couple of hours. And then before serving, I will reheat it, still not boiling, and then I can serve it. So this has soaked for quite some time, and I'm now removing all the vanilla and of course the cloves and everything that is not supposed to be in the drink. All right, let me taste some. Oh, this is good. This is really good. You probably saw these glasses on my pictures. I actually happen to have some of these. These are the original Hamburg Glühwein glasses. Voila. I could add the cinnamon stick, but it makes it just more complicated to drink this, so I'm not doing that. So, Prost. So good. Absolutely delicious. So this concludes this recipe. I hope you like it. I hope you try it. Maybe also try the other Glühwein recipe that I have on the blog. There are also so many other videos and recipes here, more than 170 videos at this moment. So please check out some more, and thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of my German recipes community, and I wish you a wonderful Christmas time.
Deck the halls with boughs of